Hello guys, welcome back to another video. You watching King KK C.U.P car unboxing place. Today I'm going to unbox this speaker, Noise Wipe 5W speaker. This actually came out newly. So this is the noise. And it's a waterproof and 9 hours of the backup power, and in with the TWS means if you have the same two speakers, you can connect to the both speaker and the same sound will be coming with the same tunes. So let me open this. So in the first we'll get some books, using books. So how to pair everything. And this is a list, and if you get the battery low you'll get the red, if your battery is full you'll get green, and you'll get play, stop, reverse, mute, call, pickup and cut, and voice. Even it is available for Siri and Alexa, as usual with Google too. So we'll keep this aside. And this is our speaker. So let me keep it aside. And what else we'll get? Lucky, don't smell. This is my lucky boy. Cute little boy. And that's it. I'll keep this aside. We'll get a adapter with 2 pins, and we'll get a charger. And let me keep this aside too. And we'll open our speaker. Wow, this speaker is very good to touch. The feeling is so good, and it feel like it's a cloth. And this noise look kind of a rich look. Product is good, button feelings are good. You can hear the noise too. So here you can install charging port, pins and SD card. And that's it guys. Let me on this. So you'll get the noise that you want. So let me pair this to my mobile. So let me pair it guys. Let me long press for the on. Okay boy. And let me go to my Bluetooth. Search for the Wipe 5W. Okay, and it's got connected. Pain I felt was paid for. for increasing. What happened? Lucky, what happened? Okay. Sorry guys, this is my lucky one to play.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
As you can see guys, it is a very good sound. It sounds very good, and let me explain what is the use for all this. So let me go to my music. Where's the music? Google Play. Let me show. This is for the play and stop button, just one click. For one click you can play the song. This is one play and stop button for just one click, and this is for the sound decrease. This is for the sound decrease and sound increase, and for the long press you can change the song, and for going back, long press minus, you'll go back. As you can see, it's going back, and stop button. And for the call receive, short click for the call receive, and for the call cut you have to press long press for 3 seconds, and to call Google you have to click 2 times. You have to press 2 times, 1 2 for the Google Assistant. You'll be seeing, you can cut it too. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and don't forget to click the bell notification. Whenever I do the new upload, you will be the first person to watch the video. Thank you, love you all.